Hi everyone. Now, in the last video, we looked at how we could put hyperlinks into a Google Slides presentation. This time we're going to look at how we can build a video using Google Vids. If you want to go in that lesson, just click in the corner here, then you will find that lesson and you can go and have a look at it. This is the content, so just to show you, when we play the slideshow, we can go to any of these and we got a back button here. We can go back to our content. So that's what we did in the last one. Now this one was all about a non-linear presentation. So if you're presenting this as a non-linear, so you can go for different sections and you can try and go different places. Well, obviously on a video, you can't do that. Let's go back to our drive and let's start a Google Vids video. We're going to go to Google Drive and I'm going to click New. And then we've got here Google Vids. So let's click on that. Now, first thing it's going to ask is what we want to do. Do we want to just record? Do we want to upload something? We've got some templates, or do we want to convert some Google Slides? Well, we want to convert the Google Slides. So we're going to click on this, and then it's going to ask us what Google Slides we want. Now, I've got one here, the Japan one. That's the one we did in the last video. So select that. So this has created the thumbnails. Now we can select all of the thumbnails. We can deselect them all, or we can just untick the ones that we don't actually want. Now, I'm just going to keep them all ticked for now. And then we're going to click on Create Draft Video. So there we go. There is our Google Vids video. And we can play this now. And it's going to go through, and you can see the timeline at the bottom there. And it jumps to the different slides. What we can do now is we can play along this. I want to put myself into the video so I can start presenting it. Now, that's why I left this little bit of a space here. On all the slides, you'll see there's a space here. Now, that is where I'm going to put myself. So let's go to the first video and let's slide this right back to the beginning. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to this menu here. Now, there's lots of different options here. You can play around with some of these options. I'm going to click on Record. And now what we can do is we can enter our script. Now, I've got a script that I've actually written for this presentation. So I'm going to open this now. That's in my Google Drive. So obviously part of actually doing this presentation would be to write a script alongside it. So then we know what we need to say for each of the slides within the presentation. So let's open that script. Here we go. Here's my script. Right. So I'm going to take this first bit, the slide 1. I'm going to copy that and then I'm going to go back to my video. I'm going to paste it in there. Now I'm going to go to slide 2. Right, so enter my script. So I need to do this for all of the slides. So I'm going to paste this one in. All right, and let's go through this. I'm going to go through this quite quickly. Okay, so there is my full script. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll back right to the beginning. So there is our marker. So what we can do, we've got the camera selected. So camera and screen. We could say camera and screen, but I'm just going to say the camera because I just want to put the camera inside this. Now, what we don't want to do is click on Start Recording at this point. Because if we start recording, then basically the camera is going to take up the whole screen. All right, so I don't want that. What I want to do is go to Insert and go to Video Placeholder. Now, this is quite important. So we're going to click on Video Placeholder and then we're going to choose our video placeholder. Now, there's lots you can choose here. I'm just going to choose a standard circle. And then I'm going to bring this down because that is where we're going to put ourselves. So I'm going to make that a little bit smaller and that's where we're going to put ourselves. Now, select a video, but I'm going to click on Record Video. So we can press on Record Video, then we can start recording our presentation. So let's do that now. That's going to open up the camera of your computer. Then we've got these options, these drop-down options. You can read along. That's going to be like karaoke. So it's going to highlight the words so you can read along with the words. You've got rolling. That's going to roll it. It's like an auto cue where it's going to roll it down so you can just read it as it's rolling. And then manual, that allows you to manually do it. I'm going to keep with rolling. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the record button and then we can record our video. Here we go. Hi everyone. Today, I'm taking you on a time-travelling adventure through Japan. We're going to look at everything from ancient warriors to high-tech bullet trains and see how this amazing country's history, culture and everyday life have changed over thousands of years. Then you can press stop and then we can preview that. Press the play button. Hi everyone. Today, that's working fine, and then we can insert it. There we go. We've got our video in the corner. Hi everyone. Today I'm taking you on a time travelling. Now that's slide 1. So then what we need to do is move over and we click on slide 2. So let's move that to the front of slide 2 and then we do the same thing again. So we're going to drag that one in and we're going to make that one smaller, and let's put that one in the corner again, and then we press record. It's going to open up the video once more. Different script this time, with script for slide 2. I'm going to keep with rolling, but you could. These two buttons here allow you to change the size of the text and the speed of the way how fast it rolls. So they're useful. So I'm going to press record and let's do our second slide. Our journey is split into 4 parts. First, the foundations of history. Second, Japanese cuisine. Third, Japanese clothing. And finally, a comparison of then versus now to see how much has changed. Okay, I can preview that if I want to, like so. Our journey, that works. Insert, and there is slide 2. And then we have to go on and do all of the slides. So I'm going to do this very quickly for you now. So now we've got our recording. That's 5 minutes and 25. So there we go. We can play the whole thing now if we wanted to by clicking on the play button at the top. And that's going to play the whole thing. Today, I'm taking you on a time-travelling adventure through. I'm going to pause that and let's close that play because I don't want to play it all. I will link the whole video so you can see it in the description below. So please click on the description below if you want to see the whole video of my video on Japan. Here, we can go up to share. We can share it, all right, in the usual Google way, all right. Or what we can do is we can click on this drop-down menu and we can export it. We can copy the link. We can export it to Drive, export it straight to YouTube, download it as an MP4 or download it as a GIF. Well, we don't want to do it as a GIF because there's sound in the GIF. I'm going to download it as an MP4. My suggestion for a school is to download it to your Drive. So put it into Drive because you probably won't have access to export it to YouTube. So I'm going to download it as an MP4. So that's going to go download and that's going to go to my computer as well. So then what I can do is I can take that and upload it to YouTube and link it in the description below. So that's how you can take your Google Slides presentation and then put yourself in it to talk about your presentation and add in that script, which is crucial. You know, add and create that script to make things easier so you don't improvise it. Okay, and remember, if you like this video, click on the like button and please subscribe to my channel because there's loads of great videos that you can watch to do with education. And check out the videos on the screen now. Good luck.